I'm Eddie Knoell.
And I'm Tom Knoell.
Welcome, everyone. This is the Mortgage Brothers Show, and we have something exciting today. You know, a little known secret. I say it's not a secret, but it's a guideline. It's a guideline allowance for conventional refinances and student loans.
And I bet you there are loan officers out there that don't even know this.
Yeah.
I don't know what the percentage is, but I think it's probably more than we think. So we thought we want to share this a little nugget, little tidbit.
That's right. I mean, student loans, if you have student loans, which if you're 40 years or younger and you've been in school, there's probably a 90% chance you still are repaying student loans.
That's right. If you have a heartbeat, more than likely you have a student loan.
Yeah. And, you know, student loans, something that's interesting, you're right, you cannot, there's no such thing as bankruptcy for student loans. You cannot roll them into a bankruptcy. At Chapter 7, the courts will not allow it.
As much as people try, as much as people whine and talk about, they will not. That's a protected class, so to speak, within the debt world.
Yeah, so they have to pay them off. It will, no matter how long it takes. Now, unless there's you qualify for some government special program that'll pay it down. But, you know, most people pay off their student loans, and it takes a long time. If you have a home and you want to refinance your house, generally speaking, most people will consider it a cash-out refinance, right? If you think about it, most people calling, I want to take out some cash.
That's right. Hey, what do you want to do? I want to take out cash in my home to pay something off. Oh, that's a cash out.
Cash out. And cash out refinances have a little bit higher interest rate.
Okay. So basically, in short, you can pull money out of your house and pay off your student loans and have it priced as a non-cash out refi. The big restriction here is that you pay off an entire student loan. If you have one student loan, you have to be able to pay the entire thing off in order for you not to get hit with a cash out price hit. If you have 4 loans, you can pay off 2 of those loans, 3 of those loans even, and have it not count as a cash out refinance if you pay 100% of those 3 loans. You cannot take a portion of any remaining money from your so-called cash out and pay off a 4th loan. All the money that is pulled out of the home has to pay off 100% of whether it's 1 student loan that you have or 2 of 4 that you have or 3 of 4 that you have. Does that make sense? There's no partial payment.
Yeah, that's right. They want you to pay off the whole pie of one loan. You can't have a remainder.
That's right.
Put it in your pocket. You have to pay off 1 student loan. If you're going to pay off 2, you have to pay off 2 complete student loans. No partial payments. Right,
exactly. If you were to make this analogous to eating pies and you had, 5 pies, you'd have to eat in it, you'd have to eat, this sounded really good when I started, but you'd have to eat however many pies in total that you plan on eating.
Once you start eating a pie, you have to finish it.
You have to finish it.
Yeah.
That's right. So that's, again, we think that's phenomenal. We actually just help somebody.
And that person can go to 95% loan to value, so they can get a lot more out to pay off the student loan. So instead of being limited to 80% loan to value, having 20% equity.
So that is the one area that is interesting, is that it is limited to 80%.
Oh, is it really?
It is, yeah. So
look at me. I didn't know that.
So the LTV is 80, but the pricing is as if it were a rate and term, which is where you're coming out with the 95.
Okay.
So yeah, there are little nuances that are very surprising.
Okay.
But we just worked on that this week. Well, we haven't closed it yet, but we're very, very close to closing the loan. So we thought it was fresh on our minds, and we wanted it to be fresh on yours as well.
Okay, everyone. That's awesome news. And if you have any questions on it, let us know.
All right. Awesome, folks.
You have a good week. Hey, guys. Thanks for listening to the Mortgage Brothers Show. Please let us know if you have any questions you'd like us to answer on this podcast. You can email your questions to tom@azmortgagebrothers.com or yours truly at eddie@azmortgagebrothers.com. And be sure to ask us for a free quote on your next mortgage. Tom and I will personally work with you and help you through the whole process. Signature Home Loans, LLC does not provide tax, legal, or accounting advice. This material has been prepared for informational purposes only. You should consult your own tax, legal, and accounting advisors before engaging in any transaction. Signature Home Loans, NMLS 1007154, NMLS number 210917 and 1618695, Equal Housing Lender.